welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is ube cheese turon. Yes, that's right. So because of this ube cheese craze, I decided to make this delicious dessert recipe. But what if you don't have access to ube or ube is not available in your local market? No problem. I found this Alaska Condensada Pinoy Flavor Hits. And this is Ubelicious Makapuno. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use the purple colored kamote and turn it into ube. How's that sound? So if this is something that you wanted to learn, please keep on watching. Here are the ingredients that you need. Purple colored kamote, Alaska Condensada Ubelicious Makapuno, cheese, butter, and lumpia wrapper. watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share. And for your comments, suggestions, or any clarifications, make sure to drop a comment below and I'd be happy to check them out. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that little bell so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We're also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And for more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And if you wanted to check out Masflix cookware and kitchenware products, I will add their link on this video description as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless everyone! Bye!
Masflix cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.